Hi, my name is Yingzhu, and you can call me Zoe. Today I'm gonna talk about flipped classroom. So first, despite the buzz around the flipped classroom as an existing new topic in education research, there is a lack of consensus on what exactly the flipped classroom is, and there is also a limited amount of scholarly research on its effectiveness. So a flipped classroom is an instructional strategy and a type of blended learning which aim to increase students' engagement and learning by having pupils complete reading at home and work on live problem solving during the class time. So flipped classroom, as you can see in picture, the theoretical foundation used for justifying the flipped classroom typically focus on reasons for not using classroom time to deliver lecture. These stem from a large body of literature on the student-centered learning. So in the figure 2 is useful in tracing the progression and developmental relationship of different student-centered learning theories present in the literature. The relationship between these theories due to historical developments. It's also possible to generate a Venn diagram to show the complex relationship between this group of the story shows on the figure 3. It's important to note that while learning style serves as the justifications for differential learning activities, it does not necessarily provide a framework for how this activity should be structured. This is why learning style does not appear in figure 3. A brief overview of the student-centered learning theory and relevant literature is provided in following subsections. So I'm gonna talk about cooperative learning. According to Ford and Horn, describe cooperative learning as including 3 key parts. So first, students working in terms toward the attainment of some subordinate goal. 2. Labor is divided between team members as that each individual takes responsibility for a different sub-goal. 3. Individual contributions are poured into compensation project to ensure that goal is reached. According to Mela Silver, lays out 5 goals of problem-based learning. These include help students develop. So first, 1. Flexible knowledge. 2. Effectiveness problem-solving skill. 3. Self-directed learning skill. 4. Effective collaboration skill. 5. Intrinsic motivation. My reaction, I agree with the colleague who shows on the video that flipping classroom actually a combination of online education and active learning. Although there have some downside of online learning, overall online education have same effectiveness as in class education. According to the research, active learning use some techniques such as in-class demonstration, group discuss, 1-minute paper, and so on. So before I thought teacher might be least important in the education flipping classroom. But after I learned in this class, I find that with flipped classroom, teachers still be a very important part of education. Teachers really need to know their stuff in order to provide at-home instruction, as well as guide application discussion opportunity in the classroom. Thank you for listening. That's my presentation of flipping classroom. Thank you.